Assalamu alaikum friends. Waving hand. In today's video, we will talk about the easiest and most practical ways to earn money online in 2025. Whether you are a student, a job holder, or a housewife, this video will be super helpful for you. So make sure to. The first and most reliable method is freelancing. On websites like Fiverr, Upwork, and People Per Hour, you can sell services like graphic design, video editing, content writing, programming, or even data entry. In 2025, competition has increased bidding skills. You can make tutorial videos, vlogs, gaming content, or knowledge-sharing channels. The most important thing is to upload videos consistently. The third method is blogging and affiliate marketing. You can start a blog where you write product reviews, and whenever people buy through your link, you earn a commission. Companies like Amazon, Daraz, and ClickBank offer affiliate programs. If you are an expert in any subject, whether it's math, science, English, or even Quran teaching, you can create online courses or start one-to-one tutoring. Platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, and Preply help you find students. Online teaching is G. Social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok also offer huge earning opportunities. If you love making short videos, you can monetize Reels and TikTok. On top of that, you can earn extra income through brand deals and promotions.